In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to join a club on the Strava application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you already have it. If you don't have it on your phone. Of course, if you already have it, that will be great. But if you don't, you'll need to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll need to go and open it up. And of course, then they will ask you to log in into your account. If you have already an account, just log in into it. But if you don't, they'll provide you with three options to create your account. They will give you the Google option, Facebook option, and the email option. Choose whatever suits you to create your account. So once you created your account or even logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at this home option of the Strava application, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here you'll be able to actually start seeing some of your recent posts, activities. You can actually edit them, delete them if you want, or you can just go here and start or upload a post, photo, manual activity, choose whatever you want. And of course, as we said in the beginning of the video, you would like to join a club on the Strava application. So of course, if you want to do that, you can just go here to this group option at the bottom, kind of right option, and make sure to choose this club option. Of course, here you can just go and explore for clubs. If you have something in mind, you can just type it, or if there is a location in mind, or even a sports type, let's say as an example, running. And of course, you can just explore whatever you want. Of course, if you already join the club, that will appear here, or you can even join some active groups here, and even you'll find here the clubs that you joined, as we said. So for me, I'm already joining a club. As you can see, we can find it here. Once you join actually a club, that will be your home screen for the club. You can actually publish something in your club if you want, a photo or a post, and you'll be actually good to go. You can actually leave it if you want by clicking here, leave the club, and you'll be able to join it whenever you want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.